Etsy alternative for digital products. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I am going to show you around some of the best platforms that are Etsy alternatives for digital products. So let's get started. Today I have a list for you of different platforms that you might have not heard about. And when it comes to digital products, we want to sell digital products because digital products are trending nowadays. And if you do not have any idea about the products, well, it simply means creating our product digitally. We simply sell it online, and it can be any product, any image, or a digital graphics or logos, planners, whatever you want to sell. So most of the time we only know about one platform, which is Etsy. Today I have this list for you of the best products that are best alternatives for Etsy. So up first we have Gumroad.com. If you do not have any idea about Gumroad, Gumroad is an amazing platform that allows you to sell your digital products online. Selling digital products on Gumroad is really easy. Sign up process is really easy as well. What you have to do is you will simply come to Gumroad.com, and after that you can simply sign up with your Google account, or you can sign up with your email address as well. So once you have signed up for Gumroad, after that you simply create these products. You can create digital products on Gumroad, but on Gumroad, one of the things that I have noticed is that you can actually insert your products from other websites as well. If you want to add, if you already have a product list, you will be able to add on Gumroad. You can see right here we have a lot of different categories. We have animation, we have comedy, apps and softwares, we have comics, we have dance and theater, design, education, food and cooking, games, merch and goods, photos, filters, podcasts, and audiobooks as well. So these are all different digital products that we can sell on Gumroad. You can simply discover the marketplace as well. People are actually selling these products for a lot of prices, and the good thing on Gumroad is that you can actually add prices in any of the currencies. So that is actually pretty amazing. And you can see right here, these are all digital products. Someone is selling it for 50 euros, and some products are being sold in dollars. So it depends on you how you want to sell your digital product, but Gumroad will allow you to create your amazing products online and sell digital products, and it is very easy to use, and it has a lot of options than Etsy.com. The next platform is called creativefabrica.com. What you have to do is you will simply come to creativefabrica.com and you will land on this platform right here. Creative Fabrica has a lot of different categories to choose from. It is an amazing marketplace to sell your digital products. You can see right here the marketplace looks pretty amazing. It's like a lot of products can be found right here, and the audience is there. This is one of the good things about a Creative Fabrica, that you will actually be able to sell your first product with this marketplace. They have fonts, they have graphics, craft, embroidery, classes, then you have tools, then they have bundles, fans. Like these are the different options we get. In graphics, you can sell anything. You can sell logos, illustrations, backgrounds, patterns. These are all digital products, right? Because we cannot sell a font physically. So these are digital products. If we talk about the prices, you can see right here, you can sell your products for maybe $30, $19, and sales are also available. You can see right here, this one is $9, this one is $100, then this one is $50. It depends on your product, what product you are selling, but you will be able to sell your first product on Creative Fabrica because of the audience and the large marketplace that we get. Very, very efficient for digital products. As we talk about Etsy, on Etsy we also sell the physical products, but on Creative Fabrica it totally depends on the digital products, and you will be able to find the best digital products out there. If you are selling, then you will be able to sell the best digital products very easily with creativefabrica.com. The next platform platform is Master Bundles. You might have heard about this platform. It is another digital product selling platform, amazing marketplace. The sign up process for this platform is really easy. All you have to do is just simply sign up with your Google account, or you can simply sign up with your email address. We have different categories. We have graphics. In graphics, we have backgrounds, icons, illustrations, patterns, badges, texture, t-shirts, and much more. Then we have fonts, and in fonts you will be able to sell all types of different fonts. Then we have add-ons as well. For example, we have Photoshop plugins, Lightroom add-ons. So these are all different digital products that you will be able to find on Master Bundles. And if you want to sell them, then you can sell all of these different products. And the categories on this platform is actually really amazing, and they are super easy to create. That is actually, I think most of people don't consider selling digital products, but I think it is one of the easiest niches to go for, and it really helps you run a successful business without the worry of shipment and anything else like manufacture, because you will be creating these products digitally, and then you can sell on any of these platforms. As you can see, if we talk about the templates that you can sell on this platform, we have presentations, social media, mockups, printables, resumes, certificates, magazines. So whatever you are creating, you can sell right here on this platform. The prices are pretty reasonable, a little higher than Etsy, and that is actually a good thing. If you are the seller, then you can sell your products on higher prices on this platform other than Etsy. So yeah, definitely go ahead and check out this platform right here to sell your digital products. The next platform is Creative Market. What you have to do is you will simply go to creativemarket.com and you will land on this platform right here. It is another platform to sell your digital products. You get a lot of categories on Creative Market. We have graphics, font, templates, add-ons, photos, web themes, and 3D as well. If you want to check out the trending categories, then we have display fonts, we have Shopify themes, we have vector graphics, we have Canva templates, we have product mockups, Instagram templates as well. You can see right here, these are being sold for higher prices. We have $30, $16, and these are just font. And this is actually an amazing platform to sell your digital product. Again, the prices are actually much higher than Etsy, and then because on Etsy we have a lot of other products as well, like physical products, but when it comes to Creative Market, then you will be able to sell the digital products very easily on this platform, and you can sell any of your products for maybe $30 or more than $100 as well. The sign up process for this platform is really easy. You can open a shop right now. Go ahead and check out creativemarket.com to sell your digital products. The next platform is designcuts.com. What you have to do is you will simply type in designcuts.com and you will land on this platform right here. You might have not heard about Design Cuts, but it is one of the best platforms out there to sell your digital products. You will be able to find all of these different categories. Again, we have graphics, templates, fonts, add-ons, Affinity, Procreate, and deals are available as well. You can check out the marketplace from here. As a seller, you can sign up very easily and create your own store. You can see right here, you can sell anything you want to. The prices are much higher than Etsy, so you will be able to sell for a lot more than Etsy. So if you have a digital product, then you should definitely consider designcuts.com. Very creative digital products are found on this platform. The creators are very advanced, and all of the very advanced fonts and the products are found here. So what happens on Design Cuts is that once you create your store, then you can simply list all of your products. You can see right here that different creators have different products. You can find these products on Pinterest as well. The product variety is amazing, and if you are a good creator, then you can definitely sell on designcuts.com. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you know the best Etsy alternatives to sell your digital products. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.